In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho sites. We'll walk through creating a new website from scratch, choosing a look and feel that fits your brand, and publishing it so it's live on the web. Keep this open while you follow along, and you'll have a clean, professional starting point in just a few minutes. First, head to the Zoho site's homepage. On the main screen, click Create New Website. This opens a simple guided setup that handles the heavy lifting for you, so you can focus on the design choices that matter. Next, you'll be asked to select a category. Pick the option that best matches your industry or goal, whether it's a business, portfolio, nonprofit, or personal site. This helps Zoho suggest layouts and sections that suit your needs, saving you time later. Now type in your website name. Choose something clear and recognizable. This name appears across your site and in key areas of the design. Don't stress too much. You can adjust it later as your brand evolves. Click Choose Template to browse available designs. Take a moment to preview a few options, looking at how they handle the homepage, navigation, and key sections. When you find a layout that fits your content, select it and click Customize to make it your own. You'll now set your visual style, starting with colors. Pick a palette that matches your logo or brand guidelines. Aim for strong contrast between text and background so your content stays readable. If you don't have a formal palette yet, choose a simple, neutral base with one accent color for buttons and highlights. Next, choose your fonts. A clean pairing, one font for headings and another for body text, keeps the site professional and easy to scan. Avoid overly decorative fonts for paragraphs. Save those for headlines if they match your brand personality. Then select your header and banner style. This controls how your logo, menu, and hero image appear at the top of the site. Consider whether you want a bold, full-width banner for impact or a compact header that keeps attention on your content. You can usually swap images later, so focus on structure. Click Finish, and Zoho will build your site and take you to the dashboard. From there, click the pencil icon to open the editor. You'll see your template ready for editing. Make the necessary modifications to match your business and brand. Update text, swap images, adjust sections, and refine spacing and buttons. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Publish. Your site goes live and you can return to the editor anytime to make updates and republish as your content grows.